Staying Connected, presented by Jamie Bloss, a librarian at East Carolina University. With the internet, it will be easier to stay connected to your friends and loved ones. Connecting with friends and loved ones may help with any stress you're feeling. Today we'll talk about a few apps you can use to connect to family and friends. Using apps to connect with loved ones means you don't have to use cell phone minutes. If you're on Wi-Fi, you don't have to use a cell phone data plan. Here are the steps to install WhatsApp. Install the app from the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhones. Launch the app and approve the requested permissions. Next, you'll enter your phone number and tap Confirm. Enter the verification code received via SMS or text message. WhatsApp may do this automatically. Then you can import existing contacts into the app, which is optional. But it's not the only app that allows you to video call, chat, and message your family. Other apps and programs include FaceTime, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram. Some phones may have other built-in ways of using the internet to make calls. You can make a call with Wi-Fi calling. Wi-Fi calling can be helpful so you don't have to use your data plan to make calls. Here's a website to find out more about the pros and cons of Wi-Fi calling. On Android phones, you can go to Settings, Networks and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Wi-Fi calling, where you can then toggle on Wi-Fi calling. On iPhone or Apple devices, you can turn on Wi-Fi calling in Settings, Phone, Wi-Fi calling. These are the sources we use to produce this video. Thanks for watching.